everyone, are you someone who did not score well in CAT or just found it too difficult to crack? Are you wondering whether you still have a chance to get into top MBA colleges in India? Well, I have a great news for you all. In today's video, I am going to talk about top 5 MBA entrance exams in India that are easier than CAT but still open the doors to someone amazing B schools with excellent placements. I am Prem Sirvi and you are watching Edu9 English, where we simplify your career journey step by step. Let's jump right into it. So first up, let's talk about NMET, which is conducted by Narsi Monji Institute of Management, means NMIMS. The exam is one of the most flexible MBA entrance exam out there, and you can take it either from your home or a test center. The NMET score is accepted by top institutions like NMIMS Mumbai, Shiv Nadar University and the Vyas University in Bhubaneswar, and the exam includes 108 questions spread across 3 sections: quantitative skills, logical reasoning and language skill. The best part is there is no negative marking, so you can attempt every question without any fear of losing marks. The registration fee is around 2,800. When it comes to placement, NMIMS offers impressive packages, with the highest package reaching out 67 lakh per annum and the average package of 25 lakh per annum. Top recruiters include EY, KPMG and AOB. And the second exam on our list is SNAP, conducted by Symbiosis International University. SNAP is accepted by all the Symbiosis colleges including SIBM, Pune, SIIB and SCMS. The exam is quick one, just 60 questions in 60 minutes, but it does include negative marking of 0.25 per wrong answer. However, what makes SNAP special is that you can get 3 attempts and the best score out of the 3 is considered for admission. Symbiosis College have some of the best MBA programs in the country and the placements are strong too, with the highest package going up to 45 lakh per annum and the average is around 25 lakh per annum. Top companies that recruit including Deloitte, EY, Aditya Birla Group and Reliance. So now coming to the third option, CMET, a national level MBA entrance exam that is generally considered easy to moderate in difficulty, and CMET is accepted by over 1,000 plus B schools across India, including top ones like JBIMS Mumbai and KJ Somaiya. The exam consists of 4 sections: quantitative techniques and logical reasoning, language comprehension and general awareness. Yes, GK plays an important role in CMET. It's a 180 minutes test conducted around May every year, and the registration fee is 2,000 for general category and 1,000 for reserved categories. And placement wise, CMET accepting colleges offer a strong return. Some students even beg packages as high as 87 lakh per annum, and with the average package for top colleges being around 25 to 33 lakh per annum. At number 4, we have MAH MBA SET, an exam conducted by Maharashtra government for MBA MMS admissions, and this test is exclusively to college in Maharashtra but includes some top names like JBIMS and Mumbai and KJ Somaiya and Shivaji University. The exam features 200 questions, is separate across reasoning, English and quant sections, and you can get 150 minutes to complete it, and again no negative marking is there, and it's a great opportunity for students who want to study in Maharashtra, and the fee is 1,000 for general category students and 800 for reserved categories. Finally, we have XAT conducted by XLRI Jamshedpur, which is one of the most prestigious MBA exams in India. XAT is slightly more difficult than the other of the list, but it's still easier than CAT for many students, and the paper is divided into 2 parts. First includes decision making, verbal and logical ability and quant, and while the part second contains general knowledge. It's a 3-hour exam and does have negative marking also, minus 0.25 marks deducted for wrong answers, and if you leave more than 8 questions blank, there is an additional penalty for 10%, and the registration fee is around 2,200. If you are aiming for colleges like XLRI, XIMB or SP Jain XAT is a fantastic choice, and placements are amazing too, with the highest package touching of 46 lakh per annum and the average around 27 lakh per annum. So to sum it up, if CAT does not go well, you are looking for others MBA options that are less stressful but still rewarding. These 5 exams, NMAT, SNAP, CMAT, MASAT and XAT are the best bets. They are easier to crack compared to CAT and yet give you access to top tier business schools with excellent returns on investment. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Learn English. And if you have any question or want help choosing the right MBA path, drop down in the comment section and I will personally reply them. So thank you so much for watching.